So I was interrupted by my daughter doing my video, so I apologize. So I'm going to actually try to get those marks off with my eraser, like I said. So let's get started with that. I'm gonna dip that in the water. Let me just kind of move this over. I'm gonna squeeze that out, make sure it's nice and wet, because apparently that's what keeps it from getting like really abrasive. And as you guys can see, I'm just giving a little bit of pressure here, nothing major. And I don't see that coming off at all. I believe that this is color transfer that is past the finish, or, you know, beneath the finished surface. So I don't believe a dry erase is going to do anything for it. When I hear this in the videos, I kind of cringe because I think that it's damaging it. And now that I'm doing it myself, I see that it's not so much damaging it. And that's not coming off. So I'm going to be having a multi-clay that has some marks on it, and I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. I thought it was going to be even worse than what it is, to be honest with you. So by it having those few marks, I'm okay. I could probably put a little bit more elbow grease in it. I don't want to do that because I just do not want to ruin it. And then my front of my clay is amazing. So let me put this down for 1 second. I'm going to get on the inside here, and what I want to do here is clean this with saddle soap, because I know that I have leather missing there, but I still just want to clean it with saddle soap. So I'm going to dip my washcloth in my water. I'm going to get a little bit of the saddle soap right on the end like that, and then I'm going to rub it in, or like rub it together, so that I don't put a big hunk of soap on my item. Dip it again in the water, and then get in here and just kind of clean the leather. And I'm doing circular motion because that's typically what is good to clean these. And even if stains don't all come out, I at least know that the item is clean. So I'm even gonna grab that brass with this. I have Brasso for my brass, but I packed it up for now. Okay. All right, so there's some dirt on there. You might not be able to really see it, but there's dirt there. So I was at least able to get its surface cleaned, and whether it just be for the key part or whatever, I was able to get it clean. That looks like the best that it's going to do on the inside here. I'm just looking to see if I have any marks here, and I don't, but I'm going to get in there too, just to surface clean that. Camera falling over, people interrupting. Okay, this is where we end up. We still have some marks here. I'm going to look at it a little bit more closely off camera just to see if there's anything else I could do. I know that that is color loss there. There's nothing that could be done about that. That's peeling. A little bit of leather peeling right there. Okay, so you can see up close. Other than that, this item is going to be to hold keys, so I am not going to be so anal about the fact that it's not clean. I like it. I like it a lot, and I hope that this video helped you. Typically speaking, if you were to scrub, you know, hard with the the eraser, magic eraser, and this was not a deep rooted stain here or color transfer, you would have been able to get that off. And it did do a lot. The alcohol, as you can see, look at how shiny that is. And nothing I did with the eraser caused any of the finish to be affected. So that's the other main thing too. All right, folks, I hope you enjoy your Saturday. Thank you so very much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.